This is the new iTECH PT310 planer thicknesser, supplied with the wheel kit and the thicknessing table extension, free of charge or included as standard, depends on which way you look at it. Today we're just going to do a little run through of the machine. The planer itself is a whopping 1.4 meters long, so hopefully you've got space in the workshop. But that's important if you're trying to straighten out bowed timber. You know, it really does help with your accuracy. And you can see the size of this fence almost runs all the way along it. And this fence is a beautiful design because it locks on both sides, so it's really rigid. So you can see you've got these stainless steel large washers here, and these big kip handles which give you plenty of leverage. And what that allows you to do is put a really strong lock on it, so it's locked in 2 points. And when you push it, there's just no flex in it whatsoever. And that's a really nice piece of high quality alloy there as well. And obviously you can set the angles to various positions. To unlock the table, it's dead easy. All you do is lift the handle up on each side. I really like the mechanism that this works on. I'll show you it from behind in a second. And you can lift it up one-handed very easily. So the handles are spring-loaded and they work on a sort of cam action, so you only basically need to give them a quarter of a turn to lock them. I like that. It's very simple. Moving on around the machine, you can see the casting is of exceptional quality, spring-loaded as well. And you can see the mechanisms for setting the adjustment of. So the thicknessing height is up to 225 mil, and the minimum thickness is 4 mil, and it runs at 7 meters a minute, which is fast for a machine like this. And obviously it's running quietly because it's got a spiral block. So here we have the spiral block. It's 2 rows of 17 15 by 15 tungsten carbide turnover knives. You can see the amount of clearance behind the block. It's absolutely massive. That's just going to jettison out the smaller chippings, be much smaller than your regular planing block because of the spiral action. Also, a nice feature on this machine, which you wouldn't normally find on another machine in its class, is the rubber outfeed roller. That's going to help with larger timber, moist timber. It's going to give you more grip, more performance. And of course that's backed by a 2.2 kilowatt single phase motor.